Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we're diving into JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 4. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some essential grammar points that will help you in your journey to mastering Japanese. So grab your notebook and let's get started. 始めましょう. Ichiban. Ima ichiji ippon desu. To express time, the counter suffixes ji for o'clock and fun or pun for minutes are used. The numbers are put before them. Fun or pun is read as pun after ni, go, nana or q, and pun after ichi, sang, yong, ruku, hachi, or ju. Ichi, ruku, hachi, and ju are read ipun, rupun, hapun, and jupun before pun. For example, Ima nanji desu ka? What time is it now? Shichi juppun desu. It's 7:10. New Yoko wa ima nanji desu ka? In New York, what time is it now? Gozen yoji desu. It's 4 a.m. Note: Wa marks the topic of a sentence. A geographical location can also be used as the topic. Nibang, verb plus mas. A verb with mas works as a predicate. Mas makes a sentence polite. For example, Watashi wa mainichi benkyou shimasu. I study every day. Sangbang, verb forms. Mas, masen, mashita, masen deshita. Mas is used when a sentence expresses a habitual thing or a truth. It is also used when a sentence expresses something that will occur in the future. The negative form and the forms in the past tense are shown in the table below. Affirmative for future present, okimasu. Past, okimashita. Negative for future or present, okimasen, okimasen deshita. Mai asa 6 時に起きます. I get up at 6 every morning. 明日6時に起きます. I'll get up at 6 tomorrow morning. 今朝6時に起きました. I got up at 6 this morning. Note: Questions forms of verb sentences are made in the same way as those of noun sentences. The word order remains the same and ka is added to the end of the sentence. For example, 昨日勉強しましたか? Did you study yesterday? はい、勉強しました. Yes, I did. いいえ、勉強しませんでした. No, I didn't. Yobang. Noun time. Ni. Verb. When a verb denotes a momentary action or movement, the time when it occurs is marked with the particle ni. Ni is added when the noun before it uses a numeral. It can also be added to the days of the week, though it is not essential. When the noun does not use a numeral, ni is not added. For examples, 6時半に起きます. I get up at 6:30. 7月2日に日本へ行きました. I came to Japan on July 2nd. 日曜日に奈良へ行きます. I'm going to Nara on Sunday. Keno benkyo shimashita. I studied yesterday. Gobang, noun kara noun to made. Kara indicates the starting time or place, and made indicates the finishing time or place. For example, 9時から5時まで働きます. I work from 9 to 5. 大阪から東京まで3時間かかります. It takes 3 hours from Osaka to Tokyo. Additional notes. Kara and made are not always used together. For example, 9時から働きます. I work from 9. Kara made or nani nani kara nani nani made is sometimes used when des added directly after either. For example, 玄庫は9時から3時までです. The bank is open from 9 to 3. 昼休みは12時からです. Lunchtime starts at 12. 6番 Noun 1 to Noun 2. The particle to connects two nouns in coordinate relation. For example, 玄庫の休みは土曜日と日曜日です. The bank is closed on Saturdays and Sundays. 7番 Sentence ね. Ne is attached to the end of a sentence to add feeling to what the speaker says. It shows the speaker's sympathy or the speaker's expectation that the listener will agree. In the latter usage, it is often used to confirm something. For example, 毎日10時頃まで勉強します. I study till about 10 every day. それは大変ですね. That must be hard. 山田さんの電話番号は871-6813です. Mr. Yamada's telephone number is 871-6813. 871-6813ですね. 871-6813, right? And that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!